Hey everyone! I hope you're having an amazing day today. Let's dive right into the one-day charts. KAS to USDT is showing some serious signs of building a potential Q3 recovery for 2026. We just saw it successfully defend that key support zone between 0.026 and 0.028. This is exactly where buyers continue to absorb that selling pressure, despite the prolonged downtrend. This recent consolidation suggests that bearish momentum is finally fading, and the price is attempting to establish a much stronger base for a reversal. So, what are we looking for next? Well, a decisive breakout above the 0.030 to 0.032 mark would be our first major bullish confirmation. That could drive a move toward 0.034, followed by the major resistance around 0.037. If buying volume really accelerates and the broader crypto market remains supportive, Kaspa could extend its Q3 rally all the way toward the 0.062 region. As long as that key support zone holds up, the overall technical structure definitely favors a gradual bullish reversal, making Kaspa one of the top altcoins you want to watch closely for a potential breakout during Q3. By the way, are you looking for daily premium trading calls and personal chart requests? Just send me a DM with the name of your favorite cryptocurrency, and I will personally provide a detailed technical analysis just for you. Also, be sure to visit our Patreon page using the link in the description to join our premium community and unlock all of our exclusive trading content. If you are enjoying these crypto updates, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest trading ideas and market analysis. And finally, a quick reminder, guys, this is technical analysis for educational purposes only and is definitely not financial advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk before making any investment decisions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!